If you're working with a team, adding or inviting your team members to the product is probably pretty important. So what I'm going to do is show you exactly how to do so. Fortunately, it's super easy. And I'm also going to talk about the experience that they're going to have after receiving the invitation and what they need to do next. So from EveryChat here, if you want to add team members to the product, you'll just click on the top right icon, and then you will go to team members. And that will take you to this screen here. Chances are what you see right now, or all you see that right now, is just your account here in the system. So if you want to invite a new team member, you'll just click invite team member, and then you are going to put in their information here. So if you want to invite, let's just say I want to invite Riley Potoshnik, test Riley Alexander at gmail.com. So from this point, once you have their email address inside this, once you have the email address where you want to send this invitation to, the last thing here is you just need to specify the permission level of that account. So admin is going to have access to everything. Office staff is going to have access to most things except the billing information, and they are also not going to have the ability to permanently delete data out of the system. There will be a few other things that they won't have access to as well, but the most notable point is that they will have full access to the inbox, excluding anything that you've set to personal and anything that you've set, or better said, they don't have access to anything that you've specified as personal, and they can't permanently delete data. So they can't permanently delete contacts, they can't permanently delete conversations, but they can still send and receive information within the inbox. And then field staff is simply if somebody's just going to be using the mobile app from their phone and they just need to communicate with the office, you would set them to field staff so they can use our feature called Team Chat, which allows them to message back and forth with the office, kind of like a WhatsApp or a Slack. It's about internal communication. So that's what field staff is, and that comes at a discounted rate. Admin and office staff are $9 additional per month. Field staff are $4. So just keep that in mind. So from this point, once you're good with all this information, you can click invite team member, and they are going to receive an email. Within that email, they need to click a link, and that link will take them to the sign up page. All they need to put in is their password, and then they are good to go. Once you have that password, or once they have created that password, they will have access to EveryChat, and they can immediately get started in the inbox. They can immediately get started managing contacts or forms, depending on their permission level, and you are good to go. That is all you have to do to invite team members and to get them running in the system, and then they can use the same videos that I'm recording today and just throughout the system to help them get up to speed within the product. So that's about it. That's all you need to know about adding team members. And I suppose one thing before I go, I can show you that within the team member screen, you will have some basic analytics, how many messages they've sent, how many conversations that they're currently assigned to. You can filter that information by date. You can see all the to-dos currently assigned to them, and then any conversations that they're currently managing. After that, that is truly the last thing that I have to say about adding team members to the system. It's super simple. Just add them or create their account, send them an email invitation, which the system will do for you automatically. All they need to do is just put in their password, and then they will have access to the system after that.